not in the bike? I thought it would be.
What do you want?
That's right, no worries. Cheers, bye bye.
I can see you.
Right there?
Yeah, I'm perfect, lovely. Just a nice cup of tea that I made myself.
Yeah?
Yeah. So pity you can't drink it. It might do put some hair on your head or something.
Well,
I know you've got it on your chest.
I've got more hair on my back, on my sack and crack than I have on my head.
I know where you're at there, mate.
Yeah. See, Derek gets all the important jobs.
Yeah. Have to keep on top of it all.
Bloody hell. Can you rescue that, can you?
Yeah.
Can you?
Well, we're rescuing this all right. It's a small job, this one.
I thought it was a nice little tool.
Looks good, doesn't it?
You know, it ain't the highest of quality. It was only £54.
Fancy that, isn't it?
It's unbelievable.
What is a rotating
Dongle.
chuck?
Unbelievable.
Chucky.
Might be, it's ready for it. It's ready for it, isn't it?
Something or nothing.
You rang me, James. You said you got some good news.
Well, no, but good news.
Okay, right.
But it's news.
Is it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Come.
Oh, yeah.
Come. I'll get me tea a minute.
Come.
No, it's not. It's not the
No, not that sort of come.
Tissue paper.
You don't need that. Come on. Look.
Oh, baby. Oh. Is that what was causing the issues? So is that what pump is that? Is that?
That's a new pump inside the old body that we replated and put back together.
Oh yes.
So now we can put it in and get it done if you want. I can finish this cup of tea.
Yeah.
And then put that in.
Let's do it.
And then we'll see if it goes. Oof. It should start. If you got some petrol.
Well, there was a load of petrol in it. It's probably
you would say
Will
that.
siphoned it, hasn't he?
Not me.
William siphoned it. Have you siphoned it, Will?
Never touched it.
You have, haven't you? Don't ever bring a bike to JHS with any more than a quarter of a tank of fuel because it'll go. I didn't have time to put the camera down, and Andrew is setting to work. He's really setting to work here.
I'm not messing around here.
It's like a terrier dog on a rat.
He's like a terrier dog on a rat.
Yeah.
Is he?
Yeah, you let a rat go, then let the terrier dog go.
I mean, it's been. I was just discussing with James this when he rang me last time before Christmas and said, "Oh, I've got some good news for you. Come in." And I came in, and I don't know if I've got this footage still. If I've got it, you would have seen it by now. But if I haven't, then yeah, we came in before Christmas, and it was like, yes, it's ready to go. Because I literally all thought we needed was a screen and a front mud guard, which are being sent, by the way. I'll get to that later on. And that's all we needed. That's what I thought. So when they said the bike's starting, it's all good to go, and I came in, and it didn't start. The stress and the shit that this bike has caused once again. I don't know what it is with me and Suzuki's and JHS, but not quite as bad as the K6. But they had to. What did you have to do, Will? We had to get a new pump. You tried cleaning out the injectors.
We ultrasonically cleaned the injectors in our new injector cleaner machine. We got a new pattern pump, and because the tank was all rotten, it had rotted the body of the pump as well. So we replated it and then acid cleaned all the petrol tank.
Right.
And rebuilt it all back up.
And so, fingers crossed now.
No, we didn't. We bought it on eBay.
Oh, I mean, you're having some problems at the moment. I didn't really want to go into it because it's got to see the headache it's causing. But new fuel with these bikes just doesn't go, does it?
It's killing them.
And it's killing you, isn't it?
It's practically killing me.
Yeah.
But every other job that comes through of an older bike of late 90s, 2000s has problems.
Yeah.
And it's all fuel related.
Yeah.
And it's a killer. 'Cause you can't get the parts.
No. So you're saying don't buy a...
Well, no, I'm not saying that. It's don't buy one that ain't running.
Yeah.
Make sure it's running.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on, come to Papa.
You think it'll go?
No. No. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh! That's making a good noise.
Well, yeah.
Oh, we got to put some fuel in it first, haven't we?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh well, well. Ooh. Nick some out of Will's bike. And we had to go for a race style cap because the cap had shit. The cap had shit itself basically.
Which seized up. We couldn't get the maintenance schedule had gone off a little bit.
Right, choke on. Get some choke. Don't be scared.
It is choke.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. She's coming round. Here she is. Here she is. Hey! Oh my word. This has been what, 18 months in the making?
Yeah.
What's the leak? Hang on, we got a leak. We got a leak. We got a leak. We got a leak. We got a leak.
Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. The
Andrew.
gasket's gone.
Andrew.
All that excitement, the gasket's gone hard.
Gasket's gone brittle, isn't it?
Is it?
Take it out.
Well, that's a start, isn't it? Well, literally, it's a start.
That's why we can sort the gasket out.
Yes! Yes! Meanwhile, back in the real world, if you don't like working on shit old bikes and you want a brand new bike, Apex 66 have just launched another Triumph Street Triple Motor 2 edition, and tickets are there for £1.99. I think it's a special deal for £5, so go and check them out, link in the description. I went up to Lincoln to surprise the last winner, and next time it could be you.
And you heard of us through 44 Teeth. 44 Teeth, oh brilliant.
What's wrong with it? Has he gone?
It's just gone hard.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's a metal, it's a rubber gasket on a.
It's metal and there's rubber on the lining here.
Oh right.
They're so old, it must have gone brittle and it's not sealing properly anymore.
Yeah.
'Cause there's nothing actually visually wrong with it.
No.
Not pinched or nothing, or it's not broken. It's gone hard.
What do you reckon, Dare?
Well,
Nice, isn't it?
looking smart, innit?
Yeah.
Lovely job. I think once you get on there and get your leg over it, you'll be well away.
Hopefully.
Were you hoping to ride it next?
I want to go to Coombe, do the classic white track day.
What day's that?
I don't know. I want to go to Suzuki Live at Cadwell
Right.
as well. I was supposed to ride this last year, but that never happened.
Right.
But oh my god, I've forgotten how beautiful this thing is.
It is, isn't it? So you won't be up to Castle Coombe watching me then on the...
I won't be watching you, Dare. No, sorry. There's there can only be one hero at that event, and that would just be you then, mate.
I don't know how many people older than me have been up there before, but there we are.
Wow. How old are you?
77.
Oh yeah. God, fair play.
Yeah, your cock is 900 and centimetres away.
Is it?
Oh, it's getting closer.
What's this?
So you can measure the length of your own cock accurately.
Laser
See,
guided
I
cock
can laser
measurer.
beam Andrew, which I shouldn't be doing. But
No.
yeah, under health and safety rules.
Yeah.
And that.
The regulations.
It's not burning him,
No.
so it can't be doing any harm. And I'm not pointing it in his eyes.
So it's fine.
It's got some sort of camera in it as well.
So Andrew's been busy with the heat gun. So according to James, you reckon it's just a heat gun job? We're just going to rescue
Yeah,
it.
all it is, the gasket's gone a bit hard
Yeah.
with age,
Yeah.
as most things do. Well,
Usually it's the other way around, isn't it?
yeah, they go a bit softer with
Yeah.
it. But anyway, so he's warmed it up, we put it back on, see what it leaks like.
See what it leaks like. Who's this?
That's me when I was 16.
No.
And me when I was 40.
Why aren't you wearing a helmet?
Never did in them days. And this is...
Never hurt you, did it?
No,
They didn't do in that shape.
didn't knock any sense in or out, did it really? And that was in 1966.
Bloody hell.
Farley Castle.
Factory rider.
Look at that. Hey?
God. You can't buy that style, can you?
No.
What's a car?
That's the car in.
What's a car in? I think that's a bit of excess from before, isn't
That's
it?
what I'm thinking. Oh, got me there. Seems alright. Come on, spread
Spread them.
Spread them.
them out.
She's dry, is she?
That's what it was.
I mean, normally you don't want them too dry, but on this occasion, we definitely want it dry, don't we?
Yeah, you don't want it too wet, yeah. And take 2.
On the button. Oh. There's real intent there. It's pissing out. It's pissing out. It's pissing out.
What's going on with it? So that's what the problem is. It wasn't what we thought it was.
So this is the offending item, is it?
It's just, it's been hanging around here.
Dear.
It's been hanging around here, hasn't it? So, let's try again, shall we?
Take 3! Yeah! Is it?
Oh, ceased.
42,000 miles, barely running. Are you happy, James? Because I am.
Actually, it's alright.
I am happy. Thank you. Thank
Been
you.
for the
thank
milling
you.
back with it.
We haven't we? You have.
What started out as just put a bit of titanium pipe on it, straighten into a...
Yeah, put a pipe on, do the swing arm.
Put the wheels in it, and then away we go.
It's gonna look. Trust me, when it's together and the paint job's on, it's gonna look.
Paint job.
Paint job.
Well, let's get it back together then.
Right.
Let's get it back together and use it.
Yeah. Yeah, let's get on the road.
Yeah.
I mean, she'll fly through an MOT, wouldn't she?
If you knew of a blind MOT tester, yeah. She'd be sweet as a nut.
I cannot wait to ride this. Woo! Yes!